I know why they call it the Red Planet. The soil is all rusty coloured.
Hey, look, Saul. There's 2 moons.
That's Phobos and Deimos.
I'm so glad we came to Mars. This is a great adventure.
Yeah, but isn't it strange to think that we're the only ones here? Did you hear that?
Yes.
We're not the only ones here.
Aw, it's just a cat.
On Mars?
Angus!
That cat's a lot further away than it looks.
Oh, it wasn't small. It's a big cat that was just a long way away.
Not just a cat, a robot cat. A Mars kitty?
And I don't think it's too happy we're here.
That makes 2 of us. Whoa. It's still chasing us. How will we ever get away? Yikes! Just storm.
I've an idea.
Whoa, you're heading towards the dust storm.
I know.
Phew, that was close. Mars Kitty almost caught us.
Yes, but why was it chasing us in the first place? There's plenty of room on Mars for everyone to visit.
Maybe Mars Kitty isn't the sharing type.
Look.
What's that?
One of its paw prints doesn't match. I wonder if its paw is broken.
Maybe that's why it's so grumpy.
I think we need to go and find out what's really up with Mars Kitty.
If there is something wrong with it, we should help. Any meow activity, Angus?
Great work, Angus.
Kiva, you were right. Mars Kitty is limping.
Let's take a closer look on our onboard scanner.
Look, there's a rock wedged in its robo-paw.
Poor thing. That's why it sounded annoyed. It wasn't chasing us at all. It just wanted our help.
But how can we help a giant Mars Kitty get a big Martian rock out of its paw?
I don't know. It's a pity we can't pull it out like the screw in Nanny's tire.
Hey, maybe we can. It's a cat nipper.
Great mog. I mean, mod, Saul.
Whee! Now it knows we're here to help.
We're sorry, Mars Kitty. We didn't realize you were in trouble, but we'll have you fixed in 2 shakes of a cat's tail.